Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning our analog display on a G Shock GA-140DC. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our hands are properly aligned so when we set the digital time, they'll display the correct time as well. To do this, we're going to press and hold forward, which is our bottom right. We'll hear the watch beep. It'll start flashing sub. Now we're controlling this sub dial, which we can move one click at a time by clicking our forward button. We want it to be pointing straight up at the 50. Once that's set, we can press mode, and now this will display 000, so we want our minute and hour hands to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. And this we can adjust with the forward and reverse button. Once that's pointing at 12, we can simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold adjust. And we'll hear the watch beep. Our first option is going to allow us to choose our time zone using forward and reverse. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. Now this is daylight savings, off or on. To enter the next setting, we'll press mode again. This is 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will bring us to our next setting, which is our seconds. We can zero this with our forward button. Mode again will allow us to set the hour, currently 12 p.m. where I live. Mode again will allow us to set our minute, 35. Mode again will allow us to choose our year, 2025. Mode again will allow us to choose our month, May. And mode once more will allow us to set the day, the 6th. And mode again will bring us to our final setting, which is LT, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust. And now our watch hands will set themselves to the correct time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.